Hey everyone, wanted to quickly show you a cool, subtle new feature that's a huge time saver. So we have this new feature that allows you to apply a single variable to all the inputs you're mapping to. So for example, here on the screen, I have a couple functions here. Let's say in the second one, this add record, all the fields I'm going to be pulling from this variable being created in this get all input function called data. So let me show you. If I click into this add record for countries, you can see I have all these fields here. And instead of having to do something like go get the variable data and then do dot notation on name for every single one of them, I can actually hit this magic wand here. And look, it says apply a single variable to the inputs. So if I actually select that, I can go ahead and just select the variable I want, data, and then Xano will just go ahead and apply that to all the inputs, and it'll find this field name in my database table and use that as the path name. So just make sure that that's the same path name in your variable. Also, this magic wand has this option to have flexible default values. So if you want to either set a default value, whether that be null, whether that be an actual value, you can actually select that and then go ahead and apply that. And then this looks a little bit different. But in here, you can actually define a default value for the variable in case you're bringing one in that doesn't exist. So I hope you found that helpful. Definitely can be a huge time saver when you're dealing with functions like this that have a lot of fields to apply a single variable to.